In this video, I'll show you how to do an activation inside of MetroPCS using Edge in the Metro API sync. To get started, we'll click on Transactions, and we'll create a new customer. Go ahead and input this customer's information because we can pull this into Edge later on in the activation to help us out. Now we can hit Sell New Device, or we can just scan the IMEI in right here. We go Sell New Device, we'll just scan it in, and pick our activation type. For this one, we're going to do a new line. Since we don't know the number yet, we can just put in some placeholder information. That'll be filled in by the Metro API sync at the end of the activation. Input your SIM card from stock, it'll add it right to the invoice. MetroPCS will then compare that SIM card in Edge to see if it's actually valid to be activated. Again, for the PIN, we could just put in some placeholder information, or we could ask the customer and go ahead and get a PIN from them now. Then we would pick our plan, individual, family, or business. For our rate plans, we'll pick the $70 plan. We could add any add-ons here, and we'll just hit the check mark. Now we'll want to bring up Edge so that we can do our activation. So click the Metro Edge button, and you can launch Edge in one of the three options here. Confirm our certificate. From here, we'll hit Create Account, since this is a new activation. When I hit Submit Customer Info, it's going to pull all that information in from MetroPCS. You'll just need to fill in anything you didn't grab, and also create an account PIN and a question and answer, and then hit Continue. Then we can come out here and launch our Metro API so that we can sync this up. So we'll put in the phone number of the account and the PIN. We could also hit Retrieve Security Question and then go ahead and look it up with the answer. For this example, we'll just look it up with the PIN. Now what this will do is just confirm all the information that you have in MetroPCS versus what you have in Edge. And when we download the POS and sync, it's going to try to verify all of that. You can see now it says sync in this column. And if I go back to the activation information, it's now filled in with our SIM card and the account number and the phone number. Now you would just tender this out like normal.